Hello, good morning. I ended up selling my uninterested unicorn. Also, I'm in Nashville and I'm eating barbecue for the first time. Not barbecue, but Nashville. I'm in Nashville for the first time, and I really like the barbecue out here. I only tried it once, but still. Anyway, so I sold my uninterested unicorn. At first, something happened in the blockchain smart contract, some stuff, and they got scared and they switched over the whole project. When I initially saw this, I was like, oh, they just dropped a secondary project, but no, unicorns moved. So they moved their address to another page. They're back at Uninterested Unicorns if you search them up, but that wasn't how it was a few days ago. So initially, I got a little bit scared that prices would change because of the confusion. Um, and I sold last night for 0.69 and it's at 0.79. So I sold early and I sold because I was talking with No Futuristic and he was like, why don't you just take profits? So I kind of got influenced by that and I got scared because I'm like, well, maybe were confused or something and now the momentum of the project has changed. I don't know. I still love their roadmap and I still love the UCD coin attachment, which I obviously didn't get to partake in, but I still like this project. I think it was cool. But I decided I'm going to take profits. I'm up 100% on my investment. I invested like 600 something and I got like 20 something out of it. So sometimes you got to take profits because the other projects that I got into, they aren't doing so well. So it's like take profits when you have profits. Although I did say that I want to take profits at 2 or 3 ETH, because I haven't had any liquidity, then I'm not trading new stuff. And like Sappy Seals and something sloths were running, and like I can't be a part of anything because I don't have any liquidity. And the spikeability of everything is so random. So moving along with the other projects that I'm in, Ape DAO Remix rebounded from like point 0.4, point 0.3 almost back to point 0.6. I'm in from point 0.8. And Claylings, it went as low as 0.24, I think, and now it's at 0.32. I'm in from 0.42. This one I saw on the top percent gainers list. I almost bought this project when they were, because I thought it was really cute that they have like all the different NFT things made into products. Like a lot of times I want to wear NFT stuff because it's like a good conversation starter and you can find other NFT people on the street, to like spark a friendship. Like, how cool is this cool cat's backpack potentially? You know what I mean? But the problem with this project is that they started, I think, at, I forget how much, whether it was 7K, 8K, 10K, it was not 14. So now they just added backpacks to the collection and all it did was drop the price. The price was originally like 0.25, now it's at 0.07. So if there's too many pieces and not enough buyers, the price is going to drop dramatically. So I don't like projects that keep adding pieces to their projects. That's because I'm here to make money. I'm not here to buy a JPEG because it looks cool. So what else? So looking at the top percent gainers list, I haven't looked at it in a while because I just wanted to wait till I sold something. Oh, I want to show you this too. This is my spreadsheet. A lot of the math portions kind of confused the hell out of me, so I asked No Futuristic for help. But here you can see I got into uninterested unicorns on 9/19 for 0.169, which the total was 613.65. And I got out of it at 9/25 for 0.69 and after fees. So this was the actual listing price, 1989, and you got to take into consideration the price of ETH right now. I think it's at 2,800. Let me double check what price it is now, because I've been trading from when it was like 3,400. Hold on. Work. Oh yeah. ETH is at 2879. So this was the price for this much ETH. And then you have to take into consideration the fees as well. So after the fees, and I did the fees like this, like what is 7% of this number that I just sold it for? Because they take 7% of your listing price. So that's how I got this number. Then from this number, I subtract the selling gas for me listing it and my total investment. And I got this 1227.8161. So for pretty much like 1 week of work, to double your money on one project is pretty cool. But then again, I'm not making any money yet for ApeDAO, for Claylings, for this degen thing. Let me check what degen thing is doing. Degen, what is it? I think it's degen automatons. My goal is to make money on all of the projects that I invest in, but sometimes it just doesn't happen that way. Like I got in at 0.11, I think, and it's now at 0.6. So this is a loss pretty much. So I have to now reconnect with the top percent gainers list and with Twitter and see if anything catches my eye. I'm really surprised that the sneakies are still holding up. That's a really good sign. Like 217. Usually things drop, but this one is holding. So that's pretty cool for anyone that was like, you know, felt like they missed their opportunity. Like I saw this project. I thought it was cool. Like I'm just kind of like browsing right now. I have to wait and see whether it's moving or not. I thought this idea was kind of cool because, you know, the base picture is the same. It's money. So people like money. And then they just added, oh my God, I got to sneeze. Come on. Sneeze. Oh my God, it's right in my nose. Okay. Nothing happened. So I just thought it was like a simple idea, like, but cool, like interesting, and like money is cool, right? But I was like, oh my God, they sold half of their project and they're still at 0.01. But then again, they started minting at 0.0003. So this project has gone up 1, 2, 3, like, what is that? 3,000 fold or 1, 2, 100 fold. I don't fucking know. I can't do math. Okay. Don't judge me. So I thought that was cool. What else? And so I thought that's cool. And I haven't really looked at anything else. I need to like look around and make a couple of decisions and hopefully sell some other stuff. Where is Space Punks at? I haven't gotten anything or any news from Space Punks after their the thing that they were the staking. I haven't heard back from that. It's still at like 0.3. It's another project. Oh, Axolotls. Let's see what they're doing. Axolotls. Oh, they're at 0.19. Where am I in from Axolotls? 0.219. Okay. At least it's hanging around near its highs. But that's pretty much it for now. If I see anything that catches my eye, I'll post it on Twitter and I'll make a video that I'm in it. So I hope you like this video. And remember, leave a comment. I like them. They help my page. Like, and what else do you need to do? Subscribe and share. Okay, bye. Have a good day.